How to do my YouTube family and friends. I'm here. I just really need to do this quick video, guys. Oh my God, I don't wish any of you with this sore throat thing. It's been hard, and I didn't get a fever, and so they tested me. I didn't have COVID. It's just my allergies. Every year during this change of weather, I do get the itchy throat, but this time it itched, and then all of a sudden my throat was just sore. It is horrible. But the reason I'm here, guys, not to complain. I'm thankful to God for all things. Um, Today my older twin came by, and guys, listen, you have your children, and as I said, it's not about the amount of money you have to give to them. Just love your children. Just pray for them. Bless them. Or not every time they hand you something, you just say, thank you, I appreciate you. Tell them God bless you. And let God pile on the blessings on them. She knew I wasn't feeling well when she came by today, guys. She didn't come by with two empty hands. She came by, look at this. She brought me noodle soup with real chicken flavor broth, right? She brought me Pacific chicken noodle soup. She said she wanted to buy these. She wanted me to have these. Like, I have so much soup, guys. This is a sample of each one. I have so much soup. She also bought me Amy's organic soups. And she wanted to buy these, bring these hearty soups. And one Pacific chicken noodle. That's minestrone or something like that. This is a French something. French country vegetable. And she also bought this one, Amy's organic vegetable variety. No, sorry, vegetable barley. That's not all she brought, guys. She also got my emergency immune. This I usually take every single day. At the end of this winter, I didn't bother to even take them anymore, but she brought it. She said, Mom, you gotta take it every day. And she brought me a couple boxes, so that will last a while. She brought me this chloroseptic for sore throat. Oh my God, I don't know how to use it. I've never used it. And so I did do the first spray, but instead of keeping my tongue inside so it's settled down in the little valley right there, I stuck my tongue out so the spray did not hit the back of my throat at all. So I'm going to try it again and to see how it works. She also bought me Delsin. Delsin is something for cough, 12-hour relief. Guys, she bought me Sinex. My daughter just went crazy. I bought all these things to give us her mom relief. I don't know what this is, airborne. I've never used it. It says airborne rewards. And on the back it says electrolyte replenisher plus immune support. I've never used it. And then she bought the Halls cough and throat relief. And she brought it in 2 flavors. And she brought it in this one, a mentholyptus. And she brought it in cherry. So guys, listen, sometimes we get up and we complain and we can't find stuff to be thankful for. Tell me why I would have a reason to not be thankful. For you to have a child who coming to visit, didn't just come and ask Mommy, this is taking too long, why this, why that? Mommy, have you been doing? I have been trying. Nobody wants to feel the hurt of the sore throat. Guys, it is so uncomfortable. A lot of discomfort. So I just wanted to share with us that our blessings come in different shapes and forms. It's not only money or name brand bags and name brand shoes, but this is what I call a blessing. And I looked at her and I hugged her and I said, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you so many times over. So I opened this one and sucking on this one. And I did open the chloroseptic. My husband did go out and he bought me the NyQuil and the DayQuil, and that helped so much. But in the morning when it wears off now, it's like, oh my God. And you can only take it so often, every 6 hours. So in the night you take it and then like maybe 4 or 5 o'clock it wears off. I'm sorry. And it just starts again. And you have to struggle, you can't swallow, you can't cough when you cough, oh my God. So I give thanks for all things. All of this, I'm not gonna need all of it. I'll use up all the soups and I'll drink the immune. But these things over here, I'm not gonna be taking all of them because I don't know how they relate to one another. And so I'll just stick to I'm sorry. I'll just stick to sipping the warm soups until I get better. They said up to 2 weeks. The doctor says up to 2 weeks. So this is when it started Wednesday. So Wednesday will be a full week. So we'll see how it works. Thanks guys for all the love that you have sent me. I totally appreciate it. Thank you guys. Thanks for all your support. All of you have been supporting and continues to support. I appreciate it. And I wish all of you well. And for those of you with the allergy issues like myself, I hope that you're okay and that as the season changes, that it didn't affect you too much. So stay blessed, my friends. Stay blessed, all my well-wishers. Stay blessed, all my supporters. Stay blessed, all my MBP members. Stay blessed, everyone who views the videos and like them and share them and subscribe to the channel. Continue to help me grow, guys. We're on 4,400 and something. So let us get to 500, please. Let's grow together. Make it a great day by choice. I send you love. I send you all things that are beautiful.